I welcome everyone to the channel Animal World. This funny, but at the same time a little sad story happened in the city of Antofagasta, the seaport of Chile. A certain dog showed curiosity and got into an unpleasant situation. The homeless baby, apparently, noticed a car wheel, which extremely interested her. As a result, she stuck her head into the wheel and of course, got stuck. The dog made several desperate attempts to get out, but nothing came of it, and she prepared for the worst. Fortunately, the poor guy was noticed by people who called the rescue service. Firefighters from the organization Sterilization and Responsible Pet Ownership Program, which operates in Antofagasta, came to the rescue. Seeing that the frightened dog was in trouble, people began to make attempts to free it. The baby turned out to be wild and at some point even growled at strangers, but the firefighters were not timid. Armed with mittens, they tried to push the dog's head back so that it could free itself, but this attempt was unsuccessful. The dog seemed to be firmly stuck in the metal captivity. Then one of the firefighters decided to give her a sedative, as the dog became too aggressive and everything could end up with the rescuers themselves needing help. After the four-legged captive calmed down, her neck was smeared with Vaseline. Things went clearly faster, and finally, the dog was free. However, they did not immediately let her go, but quickly pushed her into the carrier. The rescue service staff explained that there are a lot of wild dogs in the area, and it is advisable to sterilize them in order to reduce the population of stray animals. Unfortunately, it will not be possible to take a wild dog into the house, so after medical procedures it will be released to its fellows. Thanks for watching. Put likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss a new video.